We knew it was going to rain, but we didn't think it was going to be a record breaker. Hello, YouTube family members and friends. It's a beautiful day here in the Phoenix area, February 20th. Even though it's bright and sunny now, within the next couple of hours, it's going to be pouring rain. It has been a little cold. Typically by this time of year, it's warmed up a bit, getting ready for spring training. Anyway, it's only in the mid-50s today, and it got below freezing last night. Over the past week or so, the entire state has been hit by a series of storms, dropping a lot more snow than we usually get. So don't let anybody tell you it doesn't rain here in the desert. When it does rain, though, it's usually in the monsoon season during the summer months. We get some pretty significant thunderstorms and a dust storm every once in a while. I'm going to put a link in the card up above to a video of a dust storm that I shot last year that came through our neighborhood. Good morning. It's 5 a.m. I am heading into work. We did not get any significant rainfall last night like we had expected, but it has started now. I expect it's going to get heavier throughout the day, which will not make work a whole lot of fun. Okay, it's 8:30, it's starting to look dark. It's headed right for us. There we go. It's 11:15, starting to come down pretty hard, and just got to notice there was a lightning strike. I think it's here. Okay, I'm heading home from work. Most of the heavy rain activity was fairly isolated this morning, so I was fortunate and did not get caught in a lot of heavy rain, just a few drops here and there. Over the last half hour or so, though, the wind has started blowing really hard, and we have some pretty dark clouds coming up at us from the south. It's Friday morning, and this winter storm is continuing. It has rained pretty consistently since I got home from work yesterday and through the night. But it's nothing like what other parts of the state, even up into Las Vegas, have had to deal with. Interstates 17 and Interstate 40 were closed for miles in both directions. I'm over on the west side of Phoenix now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and as the sun comes up, we're getting a better idea of what the storm brought overnight. And we're expecting a little more rain through the rest of the day, thunderstorms through this afternoon, and then the rain is supposed to taper off overnight. The cloud cover is a lot thicker this morning than it was yesterday at the same time. It's a lot more gloomy. There's a constant drizzle, and it actually feels quite a bit cooler. It's only 41 degrees right now. The storm drainage system here in Phoenix is a little unique. At least it's not something that we've seen in other parts of the country. But instead of having a connected system of drains and pipes taking it to rivers or to the ocean, each development has little collecting basins where the rainwater just runs off and collects and eventually evaporates or gets soaked into the ground. As the storm winds down, it's leaving us with some beautiful cloud formations and a few surprises, as we've got thunderstorms here and there. Actually had some hail fall in the area this afternoon, and it'll be interesting to see what it looks like tomorrow when these clouds clear out and we see how low the snow level actually got. Looks like Chickadee is telling us it's 32 degrees.
Oh yeah. What are you doing?
Okay, it's a little cold this morning.
Look at its ice. Kadesh is like a big snowflake. Look at how thick it is.
It looks like dew, but that is ice.
Uh-huh.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's a little cold this morning. What a beautiful day today. The storms have left Phoenix and most of Arizona, and God has given us a beautiful day to enjoy His creation.
Yesterday we had hail, snow, wind, rain, and sunshine, all in one day.
It is also an opportunity to be reminded that God can provide us with such beauty following the dark and gloomy days of all sorts of storms. We've got a lot of snow today, but the forecast for the rest of the week is to get up into the 70s in a couple days. So all of this, all of this beautiful snow we see is going to be melted. So there are people all over the place today taking pictures of snow in the Phoenix area. Just doesn't happen that often.
Not here in the Valley of the Sun do we get snow like this.
But it's still such a testament to God's glory, and we just remember that we do it all for His glory.
Amen.